What it is, love mama, trying to fall and shut. And everyone around you can't rely on. Lately you more dead than alive.
Hey guys, this is Nick. Welcome to my channel, my video babies. Here it is, working with Jigsaw as I promised. Living with Jigsaw? Hell no. Working with Jigsaw? Hell no. I would not hang out with this dude. This dude is fucking psychotic and sick. He needs to go to a home, bury his ass under a home with cement, chain him with dynamite and shit, and never seen his ass ever again. You know what I'm saying? This guy is fucking sick. I can't wait to watch this, so I want you guys to sit back, relax, eat a snack, enjoy yourselves. I'm about to hit play, so...
Now before we do this, let's go over the ground rules. Rule number 1. No touching of the hair or face.
Of course.
And that's it! Now let's do this!
It's like that everywhere. It's so weird.
So, what's it like what the Jakes and high schools are trying to do?
May I ask you what your bill is now? Yes, I can see what I can do to lower that number.
Dude, that shit says asshole and an arrow's pointing right at him, like she gonna know he's gonna be right there.
Yes, I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very
This dude
sorry.
is a weirdo.
What?
I want to play a game.
Okay,
I want to
well,
play
I've
a
got
game.
time, so...
Your computer has been infected with a pornographic virus.
Oh, wow.
Exactly 25 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy who you totally have a crush on, will arrive at your desk to fix it. You must close all 517 problems using the office's deadliest computer mouse.
Is that a fucking thumbtacks on the mouse control?
Clock is ticking, Janine. Make your choice.
He's a dickhead. He's a fucking dickhead.
Wasn't expecting any.
The frosting on Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic meaningless life.
What did he say?
Oh, he didn't hear that. I'll give him that. He didn't hear it, so he's okay to eat. Damn, Jigsaw, you be fucking up these people, man. What the fuck? I wouldn't hold it. I wouldn't hold it. Fuck that. Not his ass. They are scared of him. He got a little fucking bite. This motherfucker got a... Wow.
You're all very polite. I just need to get
Wow. What the fuck? Wow, this motherfucker is literally pressing every button. I would have got out the elevator, be smart. I don't think it's that serious. Walk up those stairs.
This is not the fun part of the job, but we've been monitoring office productivity.
You wanna get fired.
As you can see from this research. When your gains increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme, like team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Look, all we're asking is that you just, tone it down.
Turn it down the
Still want to
game.
get somewhere back, okay? What do you think?
He ain't hearing shit.
All of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your shackles
See, that's
have
the
been...
kind of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair.
What the fuck? What the hell? What the hell is it? Oh, a cheese grater?
But it's time for each of you to make a choice. Synergize. Work together as a team. Karen, to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your families. Or be stuck inside the office for the third time.
Wow. Fucking wow. Cutting your legs off with a fucking cheese grater. Like, for real? Unbelievable. I love this. Oh, I have a good idea. I don't even know if they did this. What about they made dating with Jigsaw? That would be so funny. I just gave them a fucking idea. If they did that shit and I didn't know about it, Should I get paid? I just gave him a fucking good video. Dating with Jigsaw. If they did it, I swear I have not known anything about it. I'm gonna look it up. If they do have it, I'm gonna do a reaction video. If they didn't have it, I just gave you guys a good ass fucking video. Right in the comment section down below, guys. Tell me what you guys think of my reaction in this video. Working with Jigsaw? Fuck that. I'm quitting. This dude played too many fucking games. I'm be out. Or I would just kick his ass. Fuck that. He's a little motherfucker. Just throw his ass out the window. Hit that like button if you like this video. Hit that down button if you don't. It's okay. I love you guys anyway. Till next time. See you. Deuces.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.